Kiwi! Hey, Kiwi, hey! Hey, Kiwi! Kiwi!
What? What is it, mate? I'm trying to read the paper.
What happened to your voice, mate?
Dude, I'm a Kiwi. I'm from freaking New Zealand.
Oh, well that explains the accent. And the boomerangs.
I told you, we're bananas.
Accent? I don't have a accent.
What's a hippo accent?
It's not a hippo. It's a hiccup.
Whoa, sounds like a hungry hippo.
It's hiccup. It's not funny.
What's the matter, Kiwi? You look all choked up.
Stop it. Hiccup. Oh man, I don't hiccup. I feel so good. Hiccup.
Are you okay?
Hiccup. 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 Hiccup.
What the heck's going on?
Oh no, everybody watch out! He's gonna blow!
What the?
What the heck was that?
Seriously, I heard that in the other. Oh my god!
That was Kiwi. He had the hippos.
Hiccups! He had the hiccups, you idiots!
What? Oh man, that's scary.
What are you talking about?
You've never heard about what happens when a fruit gets the hiccups?
No.
First, they hiccup. Then they
explode!
That's the most ridiculous thing I've ever hiccup. Uh-oh.
911, what's your emergency?
Yeah, we got an orange with a case of the hiccups here.
Please say again?
I said we have an orange with the hiccups.
Oh no, you're screwed!
Alright, I'm out of ideas.
Oh.
Look, everybody, the important thing right now is to just remain calm.
Hiccup.
No, everybody just shut up! We're not going to freak out!
That's easy for you to say. You don't have an exploding hippo in your tummy.
Dude, it's not a hippo.
It's an exploding hippo.
Listen to me, Orange. Do you want to get rid of your hiccups?
Duh.
Then you have to do exactly what I tell you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, it's really simple. All you have to do is take a deep breath and hold it for 30 seconds.
Okay.
What? No, that never works. I always heard you had to stand on your head and cross your eyes.
Shouldn't he be humming?
What?
Yeah, I heard all he's got to do is hum the Star Spangled Banner. Works every time.
No, this is ridiculous. He's got to breathe into a paper bag, right?
No.
All he's got to do is hum the Star
That's not what I
Spangled
heard.
Banner.
Just shut up.
No, that one never works. Orange!
Orange? Can you hear me?
Wake up, Orange!
Whoa.
Orange!
Are you okay?
Who turned out the lights?
Dude, you crashed and blacked out.
I did? Then why am I still orange?
Orange, do you hear that?
Yeah, his hiccups! They're gone!
Yay!
Oh.
Oh no!
Oh. I'm sorry, guys. I never thought I'd get the hiccups and go boom.
Orange, it's not your fault.
Yeah, it could happen to anyone. Look at Kiwi.
I know. He's everywhere. Oh.
We've got to figure out a way to stop them.
Oh no, they're getting worse by the second.
Help me.
Hey, Orange. I know we just met and all, but...
We're really sorry this is happening to you, Orange. You seem like such a great...
What was that?
I don't know. It kind of sounded like a...
Whoa. That guy doesn't monkey around.
How did that thing get in here?
Poor boomerangs. I don't think they'll come back from that one.
Okay, we get it. Enough.
I wonder why they didn't give him the slip.
Oh my god, Orange, your hiccups!
What about him?
They're gone!
Wow, Gorilla must have scared him away.
Yay!
Yay! Woohoo!
Now that's what I call a close pickup. Ah, crap.
Hey! Hey, Rhubarb! Hey, Rhubarb, hey!
I'm not actually rhubarb.
Hey, Rhubarb! Are you on the clock?
What?
Because I heard you get paid celery.
I am celery, and either you quit calling me rhubarb or I'm going to stop listening.
Whatever. You're all stock and no action.
Not listening to you! See how easy it is? Real piece of cake. Cake? More like rhubarb pie!
Oh, great. It's 8 fruit. What do you want?
What? It's a free kitchen. I can hang out if I want to.
Why don't you make friends at your own house?
What? Didn't Midget Munchkin give you the memo?
Memo? What's a memo?
It's a little message, and I'm a little apple. Yay! You got mail!
Ooh, what does it say? Am I a millionaire?
Yo, listen up, Dillweeds.
We are listening. Just read the letter.
I am reading the better.
Forget it. Just skip to the memo.
Huh? All you lamos better watch your P's and mind your Q's. The greatest fruit in all of fruitdom is moving into the kitchen. Sincerely, Grapefruit.
Hey, Roomie, wanna wrestle for the top bunk? After that, I usually hit the stair stepper for some cardio, then go grab a good sweat in the sauna to loosen up the muscles.
Wait, so who is this chap?
Oh, that's Grapefruit. He had the hots for passion fruit, and then he got chopped up.
Chopped up?
Uh-huh, by a big knife.
Oh, and then he got turned into a monster.
Oh, I've got to get out of here.
Oh, shut your pie hole, rhubarb!
That's like the fourth time you've made that joke.
Hey, just having some fun here, Roomie.
Hey, Celery. Hey, Celery.
Whoa,
hey.
whoa, whoa, you're doing it all wrong.
No, I'm not.
No, Celery, guess what?
What?
Knife.
Hey.
Psych.
That is not funny, man.
Yeah, we don't yell knife when there is no knife.
Not cool, dude.
Why don't you stop being such a baby apple?
That's little apple.
You see what I did there, Orange? I called him baby.
You're an apple.
Whoa, looks like you can't teach an old orange new tricks.
Oh, I love tricks, especially when there's bunnies.
Oh, what's this? A volunteer?
No, that's Marshmallow.
Marshmallow, huh? More like cream puff.
Whoa. Just leave Marshmallow out of this.
Go bite a bottle, baby apple.
I'm serious. Look, fun's fun, but trust me, you wouldn't like Marshmallow when he's angry.
Oh, yeah? Hey, Sugar Skull.
Yay! Turn me into a bunny! Turn me into a bunny!
Bunny? Sorry, pal, but you're a hair off. Okay, that's enough with the laughing. I got another joke here.
Bunnies!
Okay.
Yay!
Okay, that's enough.
Better give it up, Grapefruit. Nobody gets marshmallows, goat.
I'm a goat! Yay! I'm gonna feed 'em lollipops and old tin cans!
Back off, Orange. I'm picking up, but you dropped the ball. Hey, Airhead, check it out.
Oh, that's my picture of Princess Butterfly Kiss!
Yeah, and that's my lighter. I heard marshmallows love a campfire.
Butterfly!
Oh, that's it. I'm out of here. Don't say I didn't warn you. Drop the hammer, Grandpa. We gotta catch some speed.
Geronimo!
Not a bright idea.
What, am I the only one with a sense of humor?
Guys, something's happening to your room.
Whoa! Marshmallow's ready to pop.
Hey guys, what are you doing out here?
Pear! It's Grapefruit! He...
Yeah, I know. Why do you think I went for a hike?
No! You don't understand! He pushed Marshmallow too far!
Well, what's the worst that could happen?
Nobody hurts Princess Butterfly Kiss!
Oh! Oh no! Orange!
Ow! Oh!
Uh-oh! Did I do that?
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, give my toast back. You've been driving that toast. Yeah, my one had a backy. That was even yeah. No, backy. Backy slowly and backy slowly. Can I let her walk simulator? Nathan, lefty, righty, junior, okay? This is making bad. Yes, it does. Use that. Back and forth, back and forth. Beep, 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 beep. You to join up today. I'm back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, Jackson. Thank you, but I'm done. Beep, 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 beep. Wait, Mr. McQueen, where are you going? Okay, here we go. Mr. McQueen, Jackson, thank you for being on timer. But now I need you to turn this thing on. Mr. McQueen, you know there are no shortcuts. I know that. Turn the thing on. Oh, well, hello. What's
always spicy. It always makes our mouth on fire.
But I think I'm gonna try some. Bottoms up. Wait a minute. What's going on? Something doesn't feel right. What's going on? Is it on here? Or is it just me? Water! My mouth on fire! I need water! Someone give me some water!
You break you. Oh, Mayor, why you do this? Because I raided the bottom of the hot dogs. The hot dogs? No way. I'm not about heights. Woman, don't tell me what I do. Go my heights. And the mountain and double that dumb.
Kids of the dandelion fuzz. I'll be doing whatever snow does in summer. Trick in my hand is my snow up against the burning sand. Probably getting poisoned and in summer. Finally see a summer breeze blow away a winter storm. Find out what happens in solid water when it gets warm. And I can't wait to see what my body's all holding me. Just imagine how much cooler I'll be in summer. The cold are both so intense, put them together and just make sense. Winter's a good time to stay in the cuddle, but put me in summer and I'll be a happy snowman. When I get stressed, I like to hold on to my dream. Relaxing in the summer sun, just letting off steam. Oh, the sky. I shall be there too. When I finally frozen things do in summer.
Oh man, what are you doing?
No time to talk, wait. I tried to do one marble. Hold on. There you go. Now you did it.
Hey, you tell more about that like that. I'm a wait time.
Oh yeah, Buckwheat. You're a wait dot. The hell not anybody.
Ah, look at me, man. I better time to take your Latin.
Huh? Whoa, wait. Today am I Latins? I'm an apple? Yup. Really? The world invented apples I ever heard in my life. Yay! I'm an apple!
Well, I've been mad on another Latin today.
The new Buckwheat, I am an apple.
Oh no, I told you, you're a donut.
I'm an apple. Oh yeah? Why you just needed to pick the pot out here?
Oh man, you know what? You apple, buddy.
Yay! Everybody got an apple.
No, I'm a wheat. And you're a donut.
I'm donut? Why do donut? It didn't double along with me like that.
No, you are the donut. You know what? I'm a bear.
You're a bear? Stay away to me!
No, I'm a queen.
Oops, sorry. You're not a bear. You're my McQueen. I don't tell one of you.
Oh.
Hello, man.
What was that? Was that a dope right?
No, that sounds like Rebecca.
Hello, man. You're wearing records? Wow, that how does that apple to me.
Huh, thank you for the dish, Rebecca. And now, you don't nothing. Better than the my... Wait a minute. No webs? Why have no webs?
You never have webs.
She did right, Mayor. You hear the horrible Latins. What is it in the over hippo about both the Mayor? The hell were my Latins? I don't know. I didn't want my Latins. It's too hard.
Come on, Mayor. You thought they wasn't. Yes or no? Do you love breakers?
No. No, I don't.
I think Mayor gonna say no. I think Mayor to blow. I gotta blow it.
Oh my goodness! We gotta get out of here!
Oh no! I do wait! Mario! No! Oh, he was best friends!
Oh yeah, because it's fun,
I barely died and I broke the mayor. We're supposed to be in the but you didn't do it. Don't tie in the boat in the studio like that. Whoa! Where am I? Am I a blowing? Oh. That's it! Better than why! Hooray! Hooray! Oh, I doing it. I'm so glad you finally here. Thank you so much. You're welcome, Mayor. Always here to help. No, Brett. I'm doing it right. Hey, Apple. One, what is it, Mayor? 9. Whoa! Geez, I have no idea how this works. Boy, that was really good job, man. You won the lottery today, but wait a minute. Want to put in line again? You know what? I need your help with a different band. You don't need to do something like this. What though? No, this is the emergency. They're popping. Oh, I got a ball talk. Let it get into my ball right over here and hello, Mayor. What's going on? Hello? Hey! Listen to me. I'm right here. Alright, Mayor. You have to stop talking to me.
What? I was just trying to butter you up.
Not buddy. Okay, start the boat this. Hold on. Hello, Mayor. Knock it up! Listen to me. This is going to be a very important call. I am Owen and everybody needs to do something like this. And Owen made it. Mayor!
It's not me.
Oh, really?
It's not.
Never mind. Hello, Luigi. Stop! Stop it! I told you guys. I waited for a very important call.
Hey, Colonel Cornface.
My name is Owen.
Hey, Colonel Cornface.
That's not my name.
Colonel Cornface. Hey.
Why?
I'd salute you, but I don't have hands.
That's not funny. That's just stupid. What are you? Oh, never mind. Hello, baby queen.
What's up?
Shut up! What did I tell you guys?
You said, give me a call. I'm all ears.
I never did that.
I think you said you were tired of being the laughing stock.
Hey, what the Mr. Buster Man?
Hey, that's Midget Munchkin Man. No, it's just Little Apple.
Nobody cares. Shut up! Man, you're hurting into my feelings this. Okay guys, this is gonna be it. Now you don't need to do something like this. Are you?
Nope, not me.
Okay, if I can pick up the phone and don't want women, whatever. I'll do a blow the house for every time I want you. Okay. Hello?
What's up?
What's up?
Stop!
The audience is now deaf.
Oh, I am Mayor!
Please, stop.
Mayor!
Stop it. What? Are you not a fan?
Mayor! Ready.
Okay, can we play Pokemon Go?
Pokemon what?
Oh, right. Forgot you guys don't have Pokemon Go in 2010. Well, how about Fortnite? Oh, no, that doesn't work either. Do you have chess in 2010?
You ask me what we like, Mayor, and I host Evil Mayor. I'm an evil dope try, you morons. Haha.
I knew it was a long shot. Does 2010 have Monopoly?
Yes.
Pinochle?
Yes.
Spoon?
Yes. I did it. Look at me, Mayor. I host Evil Mayor, and that's how I done it, man. Play outdoors. I will be no detected by, okay?
How about knives, though?
Killer feedback. Hey, Pet. Just play the video. Okay.